Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make steak in a cast iron skillet using an easy method. First, select a steak cut around 1.5 inches thick for optimal cooking. Before seasoning, ensure your steak is completely dry by patting it with paper towels. This step is crucial for a good sear. Then, generously season all sides of the steak with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Now, let's get that incredible crust. Place your cast iron skillet over medium-high heat and let it preheat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, to the hot pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the skillet. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes, aiming for a beautiful, deep brown crust. This is where the magic happens. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add a knob of butter, a few smashed garlic cloves, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the skillet. Tilt the pan and baste the steak with the melted butter mixture for 1 to 2 minutes, infusing amazing flavor. Once done, remove the steak from the skillet and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. Resting is key for juicy results. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked cast iron steak. Slice the rested steak against the grain into desired thickness. This ensures maximum tenderness in every bite. Serve your delicious steak immediately with your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your meal, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.